Today we are going to learn how to use JHS Power Bar. It's a free extension. You can download it from Sketchucation plugin store. I will provide the link below. I have already shown you the method of how to download and install plugins. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can check my video that I have uploaded. You can check the link given in the description box to learn the method. There are a huge number of tools in this extension. I will try to explain each one so that you get an idea how to use them. The AMS Smooth and Soften two quadrant tools used to smooth or unsmooth surfaces. Upright extruder. It extrudes face along a path and also keep it upright. Face Finder is a tool that allows you to fill in faces on coplanar edges. It fills in holes if you have any in your geometry. Offset Edge allows you to offset single edge, which isn't possible with the basic offset tool. Extrude Edges by Vector allows you to extrude individual line. Extrude along path, extrude rectangle of given dimension along a path. Pipe along path draws a pipe along a continuous path. Lines to Tubes generates a series of tubes along all the selected lines. Copy along path will make copies of a component along path at the distance specified by you. Align on red, blue or green. Align object on the same axis as selected by you. So if I take these objects and select align along blue, they all get moved to the same vertical height. Drop at intersections allows you to drop a series of objects straight down until they intersect with geometry below. You can use this tool to add trees or other landscaping objects or elements to your scene. Mirror creates copies of object mirrored across 3 points that you select. Superweld allows you to weld series of curves into a single line or curves, and explode curves do the opposite to what superweld does, exploding all the selected curves into individual segments. Equalize segments along curve allows you to adjust curves so that they have a set number of segments or set length for each segment. JS Mover moves object using arrow keys on keyboard. Align tool allows you to take an object, define the axis of an object and then input a new set of axes to align the object along. 3D Rotate tool rotates an object towards another object using several clicks. Rotex tools rotates objects using arrow keys on keyboard. Random Scale applies a random scale to selected objects. Can be a good tool in landscape scenes. Random Rotate provides random rotation to the selected objects. Random Rotate and Scale applies both random scale and random rotation to the selected objects. Proxify tool replaces scene components with simple proxy components which will help in smooth working in SketchUp scene. FFD creates a control cage which helps to modify or deform objects for creating new shapes. Subdivide by face, subdivide by cell, subdivide geometry into smaller parts. Split up divides rectangular faces into square grids. C points at vertex generates control points at every vertex or at intersections. Connect C points with line will connect these points through lines through the guide points that you select. C points and place components. It places a component at every guide point you select, allowing you to create intersecting geometry.